Hello guys, and welcome back to the Doc Mac Car channel. And today what I'm going to do is replace the cabin filter on my Mercedes-Benz E350 W211 model. Now this should apply to most of the W211 models, so without further ado, let's get into it, but consider subscribing if you haven't already. This is your cabin air filter. Now this is the pre-filter which is on the outside. Now if you do have a thermotronic climate control, then you'll have two additional filters inside. You also need a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. You're going to pull on this tab, and then you're going to pull open the bonnet, and that is your engine bay. Your aircon filter will be located under here, so you'll just need to twist this one and pull this panel off like so. Yep, so that's done. So now you've got your 10mm nut right here, and all you need to do is undo the 10mm nut. Now it's a plastic nut, so you have to treat it with a lot of care. You should be able to just lift the airbox out like so and pull out. You're just gonna pull up like so. The windshield bottle is here, so you're gonna pull up. This is a screen washer bottle. And then once you pull up, pull like this, and then pull out. You should be presented with something like this, and this is the air filter, which is pretty grubby. Try to push it down and out, and then that will eventually push the filter out. And then all you got to do is pull this one out, and there it is. That's your panel air filter box, and this is your old air filter. Now, it's not the worst in the world, but I always like to replace it when I buy a new vehicle. Now, if you do have a lot of dirt in here, make sure you clean it first. Now, what we're going to do is, this is our new unit. You're going to push it in, and then you're going to pinch it. Make sure that the corners fit nicely, and then you're going to push it down until it all seats into place nicely without any issues. As you can see, these are the channels where it goes in. So it's going to sit inverted like so on top, and you want to make sure that these actually go in properly. There are 12 different tabs right here, so all those tabs need to sit on top of those tabs. As you can see, these are the tabs that I'm talking about, and they all have to be sitting in their respective teeth. I'm going to put it over. Now you want to make sure that these 12 tabs go over the teeth first, like so. It's all over the teeth. Two of the teeth have been broken by someone previously, and then you're going to push it all the way home like so, and then that should now fit nicely. As you can see, it's on all of the teeth. You've done that. You're going to put your 10mm nut back on, and then you're going to tighten it. And you just want it to be snug. So that is how you replace the outside cabin air filter on the Mercedes-Benz W211. Alright guys, I hope this video has been useful and informative for you. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.